A completely PC-free method where we'll explain step by step how you can recover your device. One of the easiest and fastest ways to recover it. For those who want to try other methods, we have other PC-free methods in the video description and the first pinned comment. You'll find other methods there, including a PC method, also in the description and the first pinned comment. Having said all that, what we did was format our phone. It ended up with a screen lock, and now we also have the Google account. The Gmail account, forgotten. What we're going to do is follow the steps to get to where the lock appears and where the Google account is also displayed. We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network to begin the recovery process. In this video tutorial, we're not going to use what we could previously access through Google Maps. We could access Google Maps with a locked SIM card and the other method as well. That was the method we couldn't access due to policy and privacy reasons. But those functions are no longer working. For those who are having trouble with those methods, I recommend watching the video tutorial step by step until the end so you don't miss any details. In this video tutorial, we'll still use that blocked SIM card, but we won't access it through Google Maps or anything like that. We'll access it using a PC keyboard, for which we also have video tutorials. We won't access it that way either. We'll use a completely different method. For those who regularly watch our video tutorials, we want to remind you, as we mentioned earlier, that in the video description and the first pinned comment, we've included another completely different method, a PC method and a method without a PC. Here, we'll click where it says, Use my Google account. For those who know their Google account, you can click Add. Enter your email, click Next, and enter your password. This will give you access to recover your device. If you don't know any of this, then I recommend you do the following. You're going to click here where it says, Forget Gmail. You're going to write here. You're going to write here, and you're going to write here too. Now you're going to click Next. You're going to do this for 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds are up, what we're going to do is insert a blocked SIM card with a PIN code. But as we just said, we're not going to do it through emergency calls or privacy policies. We're going to do it through a completely different method, which would be this option. We're going to remove the tray, insert the blocked SIM card, and then after inserting the blocked SIM card, we're going to remove it again. We're going to pull down the notifications. Click here where it says the date, month, and day. Then, if you see the calendar, because sometimes it shows an alarm, try again. If you see the calendar, click below it. Don't deny all those options. You'll see this settings option. Click it. Then click the three dots. Click here on Share. Here you're going to look for messages from text. But if you don't see text messages, you're going to click here on Quid Share. You're going to click here. You're going to click on Continue. You're going to click here where it says More. You're going to click on Next. You're going to click here on Settings. You're going to click here on Quid Share. Then you're going to click on these three dots. You're going to click here on Share and you're going to look for Message. Before you click on Message, you're going to enter the locked PIN with the code P. and you're going to unlock it. You're going to go down, then up, first down, then up. Now you're going to click here on Message. You click here for a new message. You're going to write any text. You click here. Now what you're going to do is click on this little arrow that appears here. You're going to click on the camera. You're going to take a photo. You click here on Attach. You click on the photo you took. Then you click here on Share. Here you're going to select this Google Maps icon. You're going to select this Google Maps icon. You're going to click here on Skip. You click on Skip. You give it all the permissions. You click on Cancel. You click the X. You say yes. Here you're going to click on this little ball that appears here. You click on Settings. You tap on Notifications, turn them on. Go back into Notifications. They're already on. Tap on Location. Tap OK. Tap on Accessibility Settings. Enable this accessibility setting. Tap on Google Location Settings. Then select the option that says All. Then tap the three dots that say More, then Show System. Select Google Play Services. Tap Disable them, and once they're disabled, restart your phone. Now we're going to wait for our phone to completely restart to finish the recovery process. That's why it's always recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorials so you don't miss any details and can solve this account deletion issue on your device and recover it without needing a PC. It would be a completely PC-free method. For those who regularly watch our video tutorials, we want to let you know that in the video description and in the first pinned comment, we've included other methods. Unlike this, now what we're going to do is open our device. Pull down the notifications, pull up, and click here on Next. Well, no, we shouldn't have clicked Next here, because sometimes our phone gets stuck. We're going to click Back here. Now what we're going to do is turn our Wi-Fi network off and on again because sometimes we get some errors. Network off and on again. Wi-Fi. Here's what we have to do. Remove the SIM card again. We're going to remove both the Wi-Fi network and the SIM card. We're going to click Next. Click here, click Next. Click here on Skip, and now this screen is flashing. We'll go back again. We wait for the Wi-Fi network to reappear. While it's showing, we insert the SIM card, which is locked with a PIN code. We remove it again, pull down the notifications. Click here on the date again to go to the calendar. Deny it, go to Settings. The three dots, click on Sharing and select Gmail. We select Gmail, we click here on Skip. We click on Enable, we enable this function. Google Play services are now enabled. We gently go back, we click Forward, we click here on Skip. Now what we are going to do is disconnect the Wi-Fi network. We disconnect it, we click here on Skip. It takes us to Google Play services. We click Accept, we click on Skip. We click here, Next. Here we are going to click on Finish, that way we would be recovering our device in one of the easiest and fastest ways. Now what I recommend is that you go to Settings About Phone. Reset it so that you don't have any errors left.